A dog.
A bull.
A bull.
Turkey.
What's this?
Hen.
A hen.
A chicken.
A chicken.
Oh.
Horse.
What's
What's That's what a rooster says, isn't it?
A dog.
Uh-huh. Whatever you say, sister. What's this?
Duck.
Yep. What is that?
Porcupine.
That's not a porcupine. That's a turkey. This is a turkey.
Goat. Goat.
A goat. Where's the goat? Right here.
A goat. Goat. I was Mondo.
What other animals do you see? What color is this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is that?
A red.
Red.
A blue.
Blue. Whoa.
This one.
Orange.
Blue.
Blue.
Purple one.
It's a purple one.
Where?
It's a square. You're right.
And a red. A red.
It's orange, you silly girl.
And a red.
That one's red.
Pink.
Uh-huh.
Pinky. A green one.
A green one.
Where?
It's a square, yeah. Let's see what other animals we got.
Boy.
A bunny.
A pet.
Parrot.
Cat.
Kitty cat.
A dog.
It's a dog.
A rabbit.
What else we got?
A weasel.
Rhino. Ostrich.
Camel.
Camel.
Yes.
Gazelle.
Tia.
Cheetah.
What?
Lion.
What?
Rhino.
A rabbit.
Leopard. What's this one?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Duck.
Giraffe.
Meerkat.
Meerkat. Very good. Oh, hey.
A lion.
A lion.
Whoa.
Very good. Octopus.
Bear.
Fish.
Pig.
What's that?
Cat.
What's a crow say? What else we got? What's this?
Oh.
What is that?
Penguin.
There's a penguin, yeah.
Ostrich.
That's a puffin.
It's sting.
A walrus.
A bear.
Polar bear.
Owl.
Owl. That's a swan, I'm sorry. A toad. A flamingo. What's this?
Ball.
Hippo.
Enough.
Yeah. Crane. Kingfisher. Cockatoo. Woodpecker. Seagull. Peacock. Egret. Pelican. What's that? Koala. Kookaburra. Kangaroo. Wombat. Wallaby.
What?
All right. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.